Welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions, where we're all about making remote work easier, more efficient, and enjoyable. Have you ever received a single prompt that sparked a fire in your imagination? It's possible to turn one simple prompt into a captivating 30-minute video. The key lies in understanding compelling content and applying it strategically. This guide will equip you to unlock the potential of a single prompt. Get ready to transform your creative spark into a video masterpiece. Creating a 30-minute video from a single prompt might seem daunting, and you're not alone if you're feeling overwhelmed. Many creators face similar challenges when tackling long-form content. One of the most common roadblocks is the fear of running out of things to say. It's easy to feel like you've exhausted all the angles of a topic, leaving you staring at a blank screen. Another challenge is maintaining a consistent flow and structure throughout the video. Without a clear roadmap, your content can easily become disjointed and confusing for viewers. And let's not forget the pressure to keep your audience engaged for a full 30 minutes. Attention spans are dwindling, so you need to constantly find ways to captivate and entertain. But don't despair. These challenges are surmountable with the right strategies in place. The key is to approach your video creation process with a structured mindset and a willingness to experiment. By understanding the potential pitfalls, you can proactively address them and create a video that is both informative and engaging. Remember, every content creator faces obstacles, but it's how you overcome them that sets you apart. So, let's explore some practical techniques to tackle these challenges head-on. The first step to creating a compelling 30-minute video from a single prompt is to unleash the power of brainstorming. Don't limit yourself to your initial thoughts or assumptions about the topic. Instead, approach it from multiple angles and perspectives. Imagine you're having a conversation with someone about the prompt. What questions would they ask? What insights could you offer? Start by jotting down everything that comes to mind, no matter how big or small, relevant or seemingly irrelevant. The goal is to generate a diverse pool of ideas that you can then refine and organize. Consider the different aspects of the prompt. I'm glad I found the VidIQ platform because I was about to give up and take a break from content creating. I was really running out of ideas. VidIQ is great and easy to use. It provides AI-driven tools such as a title generator, thumbnail maker, video script generator, and content ideas tailored to your channel's niche. Can you break it down into subtopics or categories? Are there any related concepts or trends that you can explore? For example, imagine your prompt is the future of remote work. You could brainstorm subtopics like the impact of technology, the changing dynamics of work-life balance, the rise of digital nomadism, and the challenges of virtual collaboration. By exploring these different facets, you'll uncover a wealth of material to fuel your 30-minute video. Remember, brainstorming is not about censoring yourself. It's about unleashing your creativity and exploring all possibilities. The more ideas you generate, the better equipped you'll be to craft a comprehensive and engaging video. Section 4. Building a solid framework. Structuring your video for maximum impact. Once you have a solid pool of ideas, it's time to organize them into a coherent structure. A well-structured video is crucial for maintaining viewer engagement and ensuring that your message is delivered effectively. Think of your video as a story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start by crafting a compelling introduction that hooks your viewers from the get-go. Introduce the prompt and explain why it's relevant or interesting. Next, delve into the main points you brainstormed, dedicating a specific section to each. Within each section, present your ideas logically, using transitions to guide viewers through the information. Consider incorporating storytelling techniques to make your content more relatable and memorable. For example, you could share personal anecdotes, case studies, or real-world examples to illustrate your points. Finally, wrap up your video with a strong conclusion that summarizes the key takeaways and leaves viewers with a lasting impression. Remember, a well-structured video is like a roadmap for your audience, guiding them through your content and ensuring they don't get lost along the way. By investing time in structuring your video effectively, you'll create a more engaging and impactful experience for your viewers. Section 5. Engaging your audience. The power of visuals, storytelling, and interactive elements. While informative content is essential, it's equally crucial to keep your audience engaged throughout the entire 30 minutes. This is where the power of visuals, storytelling, and interactive elements comes into play. Instead of relying solely on talking head footage, incorporate a variety of visual aids to illustrate your points and break up the monotony. Use high-quality images, videos, animations, and graphics to create a visually appealing and dynamic viewing experience. Visuals not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your video, but also help to convey complex information more effectively. Storytelling is another powerful tool for captivating your audience and making your content more memorable. Weave narratives, anecdotes, or case studies into your video to create an emotional connection with your viewers. People are naturally drawn to stories, so use this to your advantage to make your video more relatable and impactful. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different interactive elements to keep your audience engaged. Consider incorporating quizzes, polls, or calls to action throughout your video to encourage participation and foster a sense of community. By providing opportunities for your audience to interact with your content, you'll create a more immersive and memorable experience. Section 6. Tools of the trade streamlining your video production workflow. Streamline your video production with tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Canva. Enhance audio with Audacity or Adobe Audition, and source royalty-free music online. The right tools make a world of difference in creating engaging content. Section 7. Ready, Set, Create. Taking action and sharing your video journey. Congratulations! You've now been equipped with the knowledge and strategies to transform a single prompt into a captivating 30-minute video. The next step is to take action and put your newfound skills into practice. Remember, the key is to start creating. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Embrace the learning process and allow yourself to make mistakes along the way. Each video you create will be a stepping stone to improving your craft and growing your audience. As you embark on your video creation journey, don't be afraid to share your experiences with others. Connect with fellow creators, seek feedback, and learn from one another. The online video community is vast and supportive, so leverage it to your advantage. And most importantly, have fun. Creating videos should be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. So what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and start transforming those single prompts into video masterpieces. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below what prompts you're planning to tackle. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive while working from home. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay productive and take care.